Hi kids!
Hello.
Today, do you know what are we going to learn?
Alphabet.
Superb! How many letters are there in alphabetics?
26.
Superb! Are you ready to explore the alphabetic letters?
Yes.
Yeah! Let's go! A.
A.
A for alligator.
A for alligator.
A for avocado.
A for avocado.
A for ambulance.
A for ambulance.
A for airplane.
A for airplane.
B.
B.
B for beer.
B for beer.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
B for banana.
B for banana.
B for balloon.
B for balloon.
C.
C.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for crab.
C for crab.
C for clock.
C for cock.
C for camel.
C for camel.
D.
D.
D for duck.
D for duck.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
D for donkey.
D for donkey.
D for diamond.
D for diamond.
E.
E.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for egg.
E for egg.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
E for eggplant.
E for eggplant.
F.
F.
F for fox.
F for fox.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for frog.
F for frog.
F for fruits.
F for fruits.
G.
G.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
G for gorilla.
G for gorilla.
G for goose.
G for goose.
H.
H.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H for hen.
H for an.
H for honey.
H for any.
H for hippopotamus.
H for hippopotamus.
I.
I.
I for iguana.
I for iguana.
I for island.
I for island.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for infant.
I for infant.
J.
J.
J for jaguar.
J for jaguar.
J for juice.
J for juice.
J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
J for jam.
J for jam.
K.
K.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
K for kingfisher.
K for kingfisher.
K for koala bear.
K for gold bear.
K for kiwi.
K for kiwi.
L.
L.
L for lion.
L for lion.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
L for lamp.
L for lamp.
L for lotus.
L for lotus.
M.
M.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
M for mother.
M for mother.
M for moon.
M for moon.
M for milk.
M for milk.
N.
N.
N for narwhal.
N for narwhal.
N for nuts.
N for nuts.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O.
O.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
O for owl.
O for owl.
O for ox.
O for ox.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P.
P.
P for penguin.
P for penguin.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for pomegranate.
P for pomegranate.
P for potato.
P for potato.
Q.
Q.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
Q for Q.
Q for Q.
Q for quince.
Q for quince.
Q for quinoa.
Q for quinoa.
R.
R.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
R for rose.
R for rose.
R for rooster.
R for rooster.
R for radish.
R for radish.
S.
Yes.
S for snake.
Yes for snake.
S for sun.
Yes for sun.
S for sea.
Yes for sea.
S for shark.
Yes for shark.
T.
T.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
T for train.
T for train.
U.
U.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for utensils.
U for utensils.
U for Uranus.
U for Uranus.
V.
V.
V for Vulture.
V for Vulture.
V for Vase.
V for Vase.
V for Van.
V for Van.
V for Vegetables.
V for Vegetables.
W.
W.
W for Whale.
W for Whale.
W for Watermelon.
W for Watermelon.
W for Walrus.
W for Walrus.
W for Wolf.
W for Wolf.
X.
X.
X for X-ray fish.
X for Ecofish.
X for Xylophone.
X for Xylophone.
X for Xerus.
X for Xerus.
X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
Y.
Y.
Y for York.
Y for York.
Y for Yogurt.
Y for Yogurt.
Y for Yam.
Y for Yarn.
Y for Yarn.
Y for Yarn.
Z.
Z.
Z for Zebra.
Z for Zebra.
Z for Zoo.
Z for Zoo.
Z for Zinnia.
Z for Zinnia.
Z for Zipper.
Z for Zipper. Friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Let's learn together.